In the wild, speed is everything, right? If you're slow, you're lunch. Well, meet the guys who completely broke the system. They don't run, they don't fight, and they basically sleep for a living. But don't let them fool you. These ultimate slackers have mind-blowing evolutionary superpowers. Let's crack the secrets of Earth's coolest survival strategies. First up, the king of chill, the sloth. You think they are just lazy? Moving slow is actually their camo suit. Jaguars and eagles literally can't see them if they don't move. Paralyzed by gravity? Think again. Here is their real, jaw-dropping superpower. Sloths can hang upside down for weeks, and their lungs don't crush them. How? Their internal organs are literally glued to their rib cage with special tissues. And get this, they can hold their breath underwater for up to 40 minutes. That's longer than a dolphin. They slow down their heart rate to almost zero just to survive. Lazy? No way, that's Matrix-level body control. Now let's travel to Australia and check out the koala. They sleep up to 20 hours a day, but not because they want to. Their superpower is their iron stomach. Koalas eat eucalyptus leaves, which are highly toxic and poisonous to almost every other animal on Earth. The koala's liver works like a high-tech chemical lab, neutralizing the poison every single day. And here is a mind-blowing fact. Koalas have unique fingerprints, just like humans. Even under a top-tier microscope, a koala's fingerprint looks exactly like yours. So if a koala ever robs a bank, the police are in big trouble. Finally, let's meet the grandmasters of taking it easy. The giant tortoises. These guys can live for over 200 years. Their superpower? They are ultimate survival tanks. A giant tortoise can survive for up to a whole year without a single drop of water or a bite of food. Their metabolism is so efficient they can just switch to energy-saving mode whenever they want. Plus, their shells are practically indestructible shields connected to their skeleton. They don't need to run away from danger because they carry a fortress on their back. They didn't win the race by being fast. They won by outliving everyone else. So, being slow isn't a weakness at all. It's a brilliant superpower that saves energy, neutralizes poison, and lets you live for centuries. Nature really has a wild sense of humor. Which slacker superpower shocked you the most? Hanging upside down like a dolphin sloth or having human fingerprints? Smash that subscribe button for more crazy family wildlife mysteries with Smart Family Corporation. See ya!